The journey to losing belly fat is one that many embark on, often filled with frustration and confusion. It's a common struggle, one that can feel overwhelming at times. You might find yourself trying every new diet, workout, or wellness trend, only to discover that the results are fleeting or non-existent. The truth is, the path to shedding those stubborn pounds isn't just about cutting calories or hitting the gym harder. It's about understanding the common obstacles that can derail your efforts. Here, we'll explore 6 key issues that many people face in their quest to lose belly fat, along with practical solutions to overcome them. First, let's talk about the misconception surrounding healthy foods. Many individuals fall into the trap of consuming excessive amounts of items they believe are good for them, like smoothies, granola, and protein bars. While these foods can certainly be nutritious, they often come packed with hidden sugars and calories that can sabotage weight loss efforts. For instance, a smoothie that seems like a wholesome choice can quickly become a calorie bomb when fruit juices, sweeteners, or high-calorie nut butters are added. Similarly, granola and protein bars can be deceptive. They may contain just as much sugar as a candy bar. To combat this, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Incorporate plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. Make it a habit to check nutrition labels and be mindful of portion sizes. This simple shift can lead to significant changes in your overall caloric intake and help you stay on track. Next, let's address the common belief that more cardio equals more fat loss. While cardiovascular exercise is essential for overall health, relying solely on it can actually hinder your progress. Excessive cardio can lead to muscle loss, which is counterproductive since muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue. Instead, consider incorporating strength training into your routine. Lifting weights or engaging in bodyweight exercises helps build lean muscle, which boosts your metabolism and encourages fat burning, even when you're not working out. Aim for at least 2 to 3 sessions of strength training per week, and you'll likely notice improvements not just in your body composition, but also in your overall strength and endurance. Stress is another significant barrier to losing belly fat. In our fast-paced lives, stress can feel unavoidable, yet its effects on our bodies are profound. When we experience stress, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage, particularly around the belly area. This can create a vicious cycle. Stress leads to weight gain, which in turn can lead to more stress. To break this cycle, it's crucial to develop effective stress management techniques. Practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even yoga can help lower cortisol levels and promote a sense of calm. Finding time each day to engage in these activities can make a world of difference, not just for your mental health, but also for your physical well-being. Insufficient sleep is another often overlooked factor that can impede weight loss. When you don't get enough rest, it can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and cravings, making you more likely to reach for unhealthy snacks. Additionally, lack of sleep can slow down your metabolism, further complicating your efforts to lose belly fat. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your fat loss goals. Establishing a bedtime routine, minimizing screen time before bed, and creating a restful sleep environment can help improve the quality of your sleep. Remember, rest is not a luxury. It's a necessity for achieving your health goals. Liquid calories are another sneaky culprit that can derail your weight loss efforts. Fancy coffee drinks, sodas, and fruit juices can be deceptively high in calories, providing little to no satiety. A single sugary coffee drink can contain as much sugar as several cookies, while a large glass of juice can pack in just as many calories as a full meal. To address this issue, opt for healthier beverage choices. Water should be your go-to drink, but if you crave flavor, try infusing it with fresh fruits or herbs. Black coffee is another excellent option, offering a caffeine boost without the added sugars. By making these small changes, you can significantly reduce your caloric intake while still staying hydrated. Finally, let's discuss the importance of consistency in both diet and exercise. Many individuals fall victim to the allure of extreme diets or intense workout regimens, believing that quick fixes will yield lasting results. However, sustainability is key when it comes to fat loss. It's essential to build habits that you can maintain over the long term. Instead of depriving yourself or pushing yourself to extremes, focus on creating a balanced approach to eating and exercise. Set realistic goals, celebrate small victories, and remember that progress takes time. Developing a routine that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle will not only help you shed belly fat, but also ensure that you maintain your results. As you reflect on these common obstacles, consider how they resonate with your own experiences. It's time to take charge of your health and make the necessary changes to overcome these hurdles. Your journey to losing belly fat doesn't have to be a solitary struggle. It can be an empowering experience filled with learning and growth. Embrace the process, stay committed to your goals, and don't hesitate to share your progress and tips with others. Together, we can foster a community that supports healthy living and inspires one another to achieve our best selves. The path may be challenging, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can conquer those obstacles and reach your goals.